I'm sweating. Jesus. So I've had some more track up. Put a dropper in, feeder thing. Wire it all up sort of properly. I haven't used tape. So, oh man, if this don't work, properly. I really don't know. If this don't work, I really don't know. Don't know. Hang on. Let's bring it back first. Then we'll go rocketing on. Oh, let me make sure I am all at points too much. God dear, I'm well nervous with this now. I tell you, it's a good job. I take calming meds because I think I'd have cut my table in half by now. But it's meant to be part of modelling, isn't it? It's good for your head. This is the third video today, so I'm going to join all three to make one, so it's going to end up being far more than 10 minutes in it. Here we go. Otherwise, something is completely wrong with it, and I don't know what. We lost power, all connected up. Lights are on. Whoa! Now we're on to the next bit, which is a dead. I'm sure I don't need to have a power on here. Hey! How many weeks has that taken? All learning, isn't it? Let's just see if it'll really creep over it now. Wow. Ooh, I said really creep, didn't I? That'd be too slow. Be for ages, won't we? Well, we'll get on to it anyway. I've been having to go on my bike again. To pick up on there. And I've got a fitness thing that I wear. So I'm thinking about writing about something. I'll write about it, because I haven't really blogged properly on my site, have I? Look at that, and it'll go slower. And I'll explain things when I'm on there, because with sarcoid thing, it's ever present. And even when I'm even doing this, and I start stressing, me ears go, oh, flipping heck, me ears go, but that was too slow, you know. Oh no, it's not coming round again. Anyway, we know it works, and that's just too slow. I'll just have to why is it doing that? I'll just put this in, right, just make sure while we're talking to you in a good mood. With that, well, you've seen it go over it all, so, oh, hang on. Oh, no power again. No power. Well, we've seen it go across. I'll have to work that out because I don't know why. Oh, power now. Just slow. All these trains going up. You know, and what I can see with slowness there, a couple are on that back coach, it doesn't half wobble about it, like drops. I've cut a little bit off at bottom, but it really bounces. And I suppose if that touches somewhere as well, I might look at, you can get different types of couplers, I might have a look later on and see, I'll be turning off away, won't I? Riding my bike. It started about 10 weeks ago, and I have this route which you'll see if I do all thingy. And I think it took about, oh no, I went on about my ears, weren't I? Oh, it's, yeah, because sarcoid bit affects my respiratory system more, so it affects, majority affects my in ear. You hear me coughing, don't you? When it's bad, it's bad. And in ear, eyes and nose, and that. And I have a weird one as well. I'm talking sarcoid now, aren't I? Where if I get a really metallic taste, I know it's flaring up. And yesterday morning, it was bad. Taste and ears bit, but you know, I got up and stuff, and I went out on my bike and actually did my fastest circuit. It's not just quite a lap as such, fastest circuit. So 10 weeks ago, it was about an hour and 12 minutes, and I went round it at 57 minutes yesterday. So I probably will blog about it, but it might be a good idea, a good idea to blog about, because my site is called Stuart Bruce, living with sarcoidosis, and this thing up here. And it might be a good idea riding a bike and doing this, and even tidying my house a little bit. All seems to run in parallel. Fine, that's fine, isn't it? That's fine. I'm chuffed with that. I'm well chuffed with that. That's alright, is that? That's good. Right, download all three and join them. Good God.